let's shift our focus also to the big story that we are tracking. There's a growing fear that Indore was not an exception but a warning. And that warning is ringing loud here in the national capital as well. India Today went on ground to test the water Delhiites are forced to drink. And what we found is alarming. In a West Delhi colony, families have no choice but to consume water that smells, looks, and even feels like sewage. Watch this ground report exposing how contaminated water is silently poisoning even the capital of the country.
This could be Delhi's very own Bhagirathpur. Sewer mixed water for nearly 2 months. People falling sick and authorities saying pani theek hai. This is West Delhi's Kuwar Singh colony with serious questions on governance, accountability and public health. This is not just about dirty water. This is about a system that refuses to listen until lives are lost. These are not isolated complaints. Scroll through the Delhi Jal Board's own social media and you see a flood of cries for help. Sewer mixed water, foul smell, contaminated supply. But on the ground, in Kuwar Singh colony, the crisis has only deepened. What you're seeing is not sewage from an open drain. This is water coming directly from Delhi Jal Board pipelines. For nearly 2 months, residents allege sewer mixed water has been supplied to multiple lanes of this colony. Water that smells, water that looks dirty, water that people are scared to drink.
The Indore water contamination story made big headlines. But today we are here in the national capital. And the kind of water that is being supplied by the Delhi Jal Board in this particular colony in West Delhi smells of sewerage. The locals over here say that this is an issue that's been persistent for close to 3 months now without any solution. People by themselves have been forced to buy water from private sources. And if this is the kind of water, which is a basic human right, which literally smells of stench is being provided to people and they're being expected to continue with this kind of service, it raises a big question on the kind of governance we are forcing on our people.
4 महीने हो गए गंदे पानी बहुत आते हैं, साफ तो आते हैं, बाकी बदबू वाला पानी आते हैं, नाली के पानी के जैसे बदबू आ रहे हैं। ये पानी पीने से इंसान के पेट में दर्द हो रहे हैं, बीमार भी पड़ रहे हैं।
गंदा ही पानी आ रहा है, 2-3 महीना से सबके पेट में दर्द हो रहा है।
आप लोग मैनेज कैसे कर रहे हो? पानी को तो हर चीज में जरूरत है।
खरीद के पी रहे हैं पानी 2-3 महीने से।
तो हो रहा है, पेट में बहुत ज्यादा दर्द है, तबीयत खराब हो रही है, किसी को उल्टी हो रही है, किसी को लैट्रिन हो रही है, ऐसे ही दर्द है, किसी के गैस बन रही है।
हमारे यहाँ पानी आ रहा है, लेकिन पानी आ रहा है सारा सीवर का मिक्स होके, तो किसी के पीने योग्य तो है नहीं, इसलिए पूरी कॉलोनी है कुंवर सिंह नगर की परेशान है पानी के लिए।
तो दिल्ली जल बोर्ड वाले क्या कह रहे हैं?
का चेक करते हैं, चेक करके चले जाते, पानी ठीक है बस। फिर
अच्छा, चेक में कहते पानी ठीक है?
हाँ ठीक है, तब यही बोलेंगे पानी अच्छा है, देखो कहाँ गंदा, अच्छा है पानी तो। हाँ
कितनी बार ऐसा हुआ है?
2-3 बार आ चुके हैं।
पानी नली के आ रहा है 2 महीना से लमसम।
हाँ 2 महीना तो
हम लोग खरीद के पानी पीते हैं जी। तो जिसका गुंजाइश है वो तो पिएगा, जिसका गुंजाइश है नहीं पिएगा, वही नली के पानी पिएगा।
When even children know the water is unsafe, what are authorities waiting for?
एक बात बताओ, यहाँ पे जो पानी आ रहा है, कैसा पानी आ रहा है?
बदबू वाली।
बदबू वाली? कैसी बदबू आती है?
बहुत गंदी।
कैसा पानी आ रहा है बच्चा?
गंदा आ रहा है।
कैसा दिखने में?
दिखने में वो वाइट सा आ रहा है।
One family says the mother felt so sick, she had to be sent back to her native village. Others speak of stomach infections, vomiting, diarrhea day after day.
मेरी मम्मी तो खुद बीमार हो गई थी, फिर मैंने गांव भेजा, वहाँ जाके थोड़ी सही है।
आपकी मम्मी बीमार हो गई थी? क्या हो गया था उनको?
मतलब पानी पी के ना पेट में दर्द हो रहा है और सांस फूल रही थी उनकी बहुत।
तो अब उनको कहाँ भेज दिया?
हॉस्पिटल गांव में ही इलाज चल रहा है।
This is not fear. This is a health pattern. playing out in real time.
अभी आए थे, पेशेंट आ रहे थे, इस तरह पर्चे भी आ रहे थे, डॉक्टर लेके भी रहे थे, हमारे पास भी आते हैं जो थोड़े बहुत लेने के लिए, वो आ रहे हैं।
कितने पेशेंट्स भी आए हैं?
तो 15-20 पेशेंट एक दिन में आ जाते हैं।
एक दिन में? एक दिन में 15-20 पेशेंट सिर्फ डायरिया?
हाँ, डायरिया के लिए, पेट दर्द के लिए, डायरिया के लिए।
लोग आते हैं नेताजी, आप देख के चले जाते हैं, और ये आज से नहीं, कम से कम 2-3 महीने से परेशानी है ये। उससे बढ़िया केजरीवाल सरकार में सही था पानी।
People are paying for water they cannot use, while spending 50 rupees every day on bottled water or relying on illegal bore wells just to survive.
पानी भरते नहीं है, बाकी बिल आते हैं। अब ये देखो, इतने गंदे पानी आ रहे हैं, लोग बीमार पड़ रहे हैं। मेरा 6,000 रुपया बिल आए हैं।
पानी नहीं यूज कर पा रहे हो?
नहीं जी, पानी कहाँ यूज कर रहे हैं। हम सब तो ऑनलाइन पानी मंगवा रहे हैं। 5 लीटर 10 लीटर के कैन आ रहे हैं, वो ऑनलाइन में पानी मैंने मंगा रही हूँ। मैंने
पानी नाले जैसा आ रहा, अब बहुत बदबू आ रहा पानी में।
बिल कितना आ गया आपको पानी में?
हमारे बिल आया था 24,000।
और आप लोग पानी इस्तेमाल नहीं कर रहे, बाहर से पानी?
हमारे पास टंकी में लगाई नहीं, हो रही बाहर एक टोटी।
Even families with Delhi Jal Board employees say their complaints are ignored. If insiders can't get action, what hope do ordinary citizens have?
कब से आ रही है गंदी पानी?
ये आ रहा है, 1 महीना हो गया जब से आ रहा है।
तो आपके घर में तो दिल्ली जल बोर्ड से ही काम करता है?
हाँ, दिल्ली जल बोर्ड के पर कंप्लेंट कर दिए, कोई फायदा नहीं हो रहा है, फिर भी गंदा पानी आ रहा है।
The local MLA, who also holds the health and transport portfolios, accused of not finding time to listen to residents facing a public health emergency.
झाड़ू वाली सरकार थी, लेकिन पानी बढ़िया आता था, चाहे 1 हफ्ते में आए, चाहे 10 दिन में आए, लेकिन पानी अच्छा आता था।
जो अब आप लोगों के चुने गए प्रतिनिधि है, उन लोगों से कुछ बोला गया? आप लोगों ने कंप्लेन की?
कहाँ है, वो नहीं सुनते, वो सुनते ही नहीं है, कह देते ठीक है, बस इसके बाद कुछ नहीं करते वो।
कौन है आपका यहाँ पे MLA?
वही है पंकज,
ट्रांसपोर्ट मिनिस्टर, और जो स्वास्थ्य में भी है,
वही
मंत्री है वो तो।
हाँ जी,
A political accusation, but one that underscores public anger and loss of trust.
जब से बीजेपी सरकार आई है, जब से पानी की प्रॉब्लम है रही है, जब से वो केजरीवाल थे जब तो हुई नहीं थी। बीजेपी सरकार आई है जब से पानी की प्रॉब्लम है ज्यादा से।
इससे पहले
कभी नहीं थी इतनी।
And here's what's making the claims of safe water even more worrying. Recent reports reveal 23 of 25 Delhi Jal Board water testing labs have lost NABL accreditation. So when officials certify water as fit, on what basis is that certificate being given? Delhi has seen this before. In Indore's Bhagirathpur, contaminated water cost lives. Before authorities woke up, Kunwar Singh Colony is asking, will Delhi act before tragedy strikes? Shreya Chatterjee for India Today.
All right, that's the dark reality, or perhaps the dirty reality, if we can call it that, of West Delhi. And I'm sure there are so many colonies like that that exist in your city, just like they do in mine. But let me cut across to my colleague Shreya, who got us that brilliant report. Shreya, firstly, fabulous reporting from that area. You've really managed to put out and put the entire perspective from there, because citizen after citizen, resident after resident is saying the same thing, that from the past 2 months, the situation seems to have worsened. The other thing that they're saying is that they have called the Jal Board, but they're not taking action. And the third thing that you mentioned was that you, like me, before the program, tried to contact the local MLA of the area. We tried to establish contact. They're refusing to comment. They refuse to come and acknowledge that there's a problem, and they refuse to. Thus, I'm wondering what the solution would be. How close are we to identifying where the problem is and what needs to be done?
Well, Sonal, this is a problem which is not an isolated one, because I've been scouting locations in the national capital since yesterday right now, and there are multiple such places which actually reeling under sewer mixed water. I'm collecting those waters actually, because what is even more shocking right now is that Delhi Jal Board clearly says that the water is fit for drinking. Even local MLAs, they are seeking for the details, but there's no action on the ground. if we are leaving our people to drink sewer mixed water, we are probably waiting for another big tragedy to unfold. Only then we will act. But the problem is urban planning. Why people voted for the BJP in the national capital is because they thought that all the apparatus can actually work together. If the Delhi Jal Board cannot work with the gas line department, because remember there are intermingling lines, and that is one of the reasons when lines get dug, they get actually mixed up and then sewer overflows. So these are the reasons they wanted a double engine government. Even that coming to power, if solution is not being offered on the ground, that is the real question, because we have ground report from one place that we showed today that this is not an isolated incident. Sonal, there are multiple such colonies in the national capital who are being forced to use sewer mixed water.
Right. In fact, the report that for our viewers, let's tell you the report that you've seen is part 1 of the investigation. Shreya's got more coming that we'll showcase tomorrow at 5 o'clock here on the program as well. But Shreya, I'm so glad you're collecting all this water because, you know, let's talk about this post the program as well. Let's make a 2026 Happy New Year hamper and let's send it to all the MLAs over there and let's see if it's fit for them to sort of drink. Because this is clearly visible to anybody with 2 pairs of naked eyes and a, you know, and a nose to smell that it's bad. Why are they so laid back in taking action?
Well, there's no plausible answer, Sonal, you know, and why I'm collecting the water is because the Delhi Jal Board officials just come and say that the water is fit for drinking. And that is another point to highlight, that recent reports suggested that 23 labs of the Delhi Jal Board, they have actually lost their NABL accreditation. So if their own labs are not fit to actually test the water, how will they actually provide fit water to the people in the national capital? That is the reason I'm collecting this water. Everywhere I'll be going, I will ensure that these waters are collected. And if required, Sonal, as you suggested, we should definitely arrange for a hamper and we should send it to the minister so that they can themselves see that what are the kind of water they are forcing the people to drink, whose votes they have actually relied on to sit on the chairs they are sitting right now.
Kudos, Shreya, well done. And let's talk about this. We definitely need to send a hamper. If viewers, you agree with us, please send us your comments on the live feed, on all our pages that are going on, and tell us what's happening in your colony. We'll ensure that this incredible effort that Shreya is doing can be translated into more reality checks in those areas. And let's see how deep-rooted the problem really is, and also see how long the government will really sit on this matter. For the moment, thanks so much for now, Shreya. We'll see you again tomorrow.